हरे कृष्ण माता जी।
हाँ हरे
हरे कृष्ण माता जी।
हरे कृष्णा वृंदावन।
क्या है? हरे कृष्ण माता जी।
हरे कृष्णा। For wait, just give me a minute, okay? Love you. Just put the message. We'll start the prayer. Everyone ready?
यस माता जी।
Okay. हे कृष्णा करुणा सिंधु
हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु
दीनबंधु जगतपते
दीनबंधु जगत के
गोपेश गोपिका कांता
गोपेश गोपिका कांता
राधा कांत नमोस्तुते
राधा नमस्ते।
तप्त कांचन गौरंगी श्री राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी
तेरा वृंदावनेश्वरी
वृषभानुसुते देवी
वृषभानुसुते देवी
प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये।
प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये।
जय श्री कृष्णा चैतन्य
जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य
प्रभु नित्यानंद
प्रभु नित्यानंद
श्री अद्वैत गदाधर
श्री अद्वैत गदाधर
श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद
श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद।
हरे कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा
हरे कृष्ण
कृष्ण कृष्णा हरे हरे
कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे
हरे राम हरे राम
हरे राम हरे राम
राम राम हरे हरे
राम राम हरे हरे।
हरे कृष्णा
हरे कृष्ण।
welcome Hare Krishna. Anybody ready with the 10th shloka? I think Purvik told yesterday itself.
Me.
Okay, Hari, yes, please go on.
Just give me 1 second.
Yeah.
Okay. Shri Bhagwan Uvacha Anashrita Karma Phalam Karyam Karma Karoti Yaha Sa Sannyasi Cha Yogi Cha Na Niragni Na Chakriyaha Yam Sannyasam Iti Prahur Yogam Tam Vidi Pandava Nahi असन्यस्त संकल्पो योगी भवति कश्चन
Arurukshor
आरुरुक्षोर्मुनिर्योगं कर्मकारम् उच्यते योगारूढस्य तस्यैव समाकारणम् उच्यते न यदि
Yada.
यदा हि निन्द्रियार्थेषु न कर्मास्वनुसज्जते न
Anusajjate.
कर्मास्वनुसज्जते सर्वसङ्कल्पसन्न्यासी योगारूढस्तदुच्यते उद्धरेत् आत्मानं नात्मानम् अवसाद्यते यत् आत्मैव हि आत्मनो बन्धुर् आत्मैव रिपुरात्मनः बन्धुरात्मनस्तस्य येनात्मैवात्मना जताः येन अनात्मानस्तु शत्रुवे वर्ते तत्मैव शत्रुवत् चिदात्मानः प्रसंयस्य परमात्मा समाहितः शीतोष्ण सुखदुःखेषु तथा मानयोः मानपामानयोः ज्ञानविज्ञानतृप्तात्मा भूतस्थो विजितेन्द्रियाः युक्त इति उच्यते योगी समालोष्टाश्मकाञ्चना शून्मित्रारि उदासीना मध्यस्था बन्धुषु बान्धुष्व साधुष्वपि च पापेषु समबुद्धिर्विशिष्यते योगी युञ्जित सततं आत्मानं रहसि स्थितः एकाकी यत चित्तात्मा निराशीरपरिग्रहः हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
Hare Krishna. Very good. Thank you, Hari. Yes, Vrindavan. Bolo.
माताजी 5 श्लोकाः
हाँ बोलो.
श्री भगवान उवाच अनश्चितफलं कार्यं कर्म करो जितः स्वसन्न्यासी च योगी च न निरग्निर्चक्रियः यं सन्न्यासम् इति प्राहुर् योगं तं विधि पाण्डव न हय असन्न्यस्त संकल्पो योगी भवति कश्चन आरुरुक्षुर्मुनिर्ब्रह्म योगं कर्म कारणमुच्यते योगारूढस्य तस्यैव समाहं कारणमुच्यते यदा हि नेन्द्रियार्थेषु न कर्मस्व अनुजस्यते सर्वसंकल्प सन्न्यासी योगारूढस्तदोच्यते उद्धरेदात्मान आत्मानं न आत्मानं
अवसादयेत्
साधये आत्म हि हयात्मन बंधु आत्मा रिपुर
आत्मनः आत्मैव रिपुरात्मनः हो गया.
Yes,
Okay, very good. Thank you. Om would like to tell some shlokas. Hare Krishna. Om. Are you there?
Mataji cannot hear you.
Anybody having problem hearing me? Hare Krishna. Can you hear me?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. Om, I am asking whether you would like to tell some shlokas. Whatever we learned today. Still not able to hear me? Hare Krishna. Silence and problem. Okay, so shall we start then? So we are in the 11th shloka. The 10th shloka, Krishna told that, sorry, there is some noise behind me. In 10th shloka, Krishna told that one should perform the yoga where we have to perform always, regularly. And then one have to sit in a lonely place, rahasi stitaha, and ekaki, alone. Nirashir. Nirashir means one should control All the and one should perform yoga, not perform yoga for in want of something. Right? One should perform the yoga for the pleasure of the Lord, not in want of, not to fulfill some desires. Okay. So now in this 11 and 12 shloka, Krishna is going to tell how do we exactly practice? What are the things? Where we should sit, how we should sit, what are the things we have to consider, the external things, okay? Externally, how we have to prepare for performing. What is the best yoga in Kali Yuga?
Jnana yoga.
Dhyana yoga best. Can we do Dhyana yoga in Kali Yuga? क्या कर सकते हैं? Can tell. Okay, in Kali Yuga, we can perform the best yoga is Sankirtan. We can perform chant the holy names of the Lord. Anybody can do, right? Small children, old
Yes,
people,
Mataji.
everybody can do. But this Dhyana Yoga, where we have to sit alone, sit in a secret place, and all these things, it is possible, but it is not so easy. It is little difficult also. Right? So in Kali Yuga, the best yoga is Sankirtan, connecting with the Lord through the name, Nama Japa. How many of you chant? Purvik, do you chant? Okay, Vrindavan does chanting.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, Purvik, Hari, and
Yes,
Om.
Mataji.
Yes, okay, yeah. That's the best yoga is Sankirtan Yoga. Okay, so we'll see what are the things externally. Shuchau,
Chicho.
Deshi,
Deshi.
Shuchau, Deshi.
Chicho Deshi.
Shuchau means clean place, okay? Shuchau, Deshi,
Chicho Deshi. Deshi.
Pratishtapya,
Pratishthapya. Pratishthapya.
Shuchau, Deshi,
Deshi.
Pratishtapya.
Pratishthapya.
Okay, together. Shuchau deshe pratishtapya.
Chicho Deshi. Pratishthapya.
Shuchau deshe pratishtapya.
Chicho Deshi. Pratishthapya.
Okay, now we have to sit in a clean place. Stiram
Stiram.
asanam.
Asanam.
Stiramasanam.
Sthirasanam.
Stiramasanam.
Sthirasanam.
Atmanah.
Atmanah.
Stiramasanam atmanah.
Sthiramanah. Atmanah.
Stiramasanam
Sthirasanam.
atmanah.
Atmanah.
Stiramasanam atmanah.
Sthirasanam.
Stiramasanam atmanah.
Sthirasanam.
Very good. Shuchau deshe pratishtapya. Shuchau deshe pratishtapya. Stiramasanam atmanah.
Atmanah.
Stiramasanam atmanah.
Sthirasanam.
Okay, you should sit in a clean place and you should have a good seat, asana, firm. And the firm seat means it should not move or wobble. It should be a stable where we are not disturbed by the seat. Okay, two things here. Shuchau deshe pratishtapya.
Chodeshi Patishthapya.
Stiramasanam atmanah.
Sthiramanah. Asana.
आत्मनः.
आत्मनः.
Okay, one more time. शुचौ देशे प्रतिष्ठाप्य
देशे प्रतिष्ठाप्य
स्थिरमासनमात्मनः.
स्थिरमात्मनः.
Okay, Purvik, बोलो.
शुचौ देशे प्रतिष्ठाप्य स्थिरमासनमात्मनः.
वृंदावन.
शुचौ देशे प्रतिष्ठाप्य आत्मनः.
स्थिरम आसनम आत्मनः. Okay, Tejas.
Yes, Mataji. सुचायुदेशे प्रतिष्ठाप्य स्थिरमासनमात्मनः.
Okay, Om.
शुचौ देशे प्रतिष्ठाप्य स्थिरम् आसनम् आत्मनः.
Okay, Hari.
शुचौ देशे प्रतिष्ठाप्य शिखरम् आसनम् आत्मनः.
स्थिरम आसनम.
स्थिरमासन आत्मनः.
Okay, Lakshya.
शुचौ देशे प्रतिष्ठाप्य स्थिरमासनम् आत्मनः.
Very good. Okay. So the asanam should be stiram. Should not be wobbly. It should be steady. And it should be in a clean place. And what else? Nati
नाति
uchritam.
उच्छ्रितम्
Nati uchritam.
नाति उच्छ्रितम्
Nati uchritam.
नाति उच्छ्रितम्
Nati
नाति
nicham.
नीचम्
Nicham.
नीचम्.
Okay, it should not be too high or it should not be too low. Okay. Nati uchritam.
नाति उच्छ्रितम्
Nati nicham.
नातितम्
Nati shritam.
नाति श्रितम् नाति उच्छ्रितम्
Nati nicham.
नाति नीचम्.
Okay, together. Very good. Nati uchritam, nati nicham.
नाति
नाति उच्छ्रितं नाति नीचं.
Nati uchritam, nati nicham.
नाति
नाति
उच्छ्रितम्
उच्छ्रितं
नाति
नाति नीचं.
Shuchau deshe pratishtapya.
शुचौ देशे प्रतिष्ठाप्य शुचौ देशे
प्रतिष्ठाप्य
प्रतिष्ठाप्य
Stiram asanam atmanah.
स्थिरमासनमात्मनः.
Nati uchritam, nati nicham.
नाति उच्छ्रितं नाति नीचं.
Nati uchritam, nati nicham.
नाति उच्छ्रितं नाति नीचं.
Chailajina.
शैलाजिना
शैलाजिना
Chailajina.
शैलाजिना
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 Kushotaram.
कुशोत्तरम्
कुशोत्तरम् कुशोत्तरम्
Chailajina kushotaram.
शैलाजिना कुशोत्तरम् शैलाजिना कुशोत्तरम्.
Very good. Chailajina kushotaram.
शैलाजिना शैलाजिना कुशोत्तरम्.
Nati uchritam, nati nicham.
नाति उच्छ्रितं नाति नीचं नाति उच्छ्रितं नाति उदीचं.
Chailajina kushotaram.
शैलाजिना कुशोत्तरम् शैलाजिना कुशोत्तरम्.
Shuchau deshe pratishtapya.
सुदेशि प्रतिष्ठाप्य
Stiram asanam atmanah.
स्थिरमासनमात्मनः स्थिरमासनम् आत्मनः.
Nati uchritam, nati nicham.
नाति उच्छ्रितम् नाति नीचम्.
नाति उच्छ्रितं नाति नीचं.
Chailajina kushotaram.
शैलाजिना कुशोत्तरम् शैलाजिना कुशोत्तरम्.
One more time. Shuchau deshe pratishtapya.
Suchodesi Pratishthapya
Stiram asanam atmanah.
Sthiramasamahatmanah
Nati uchritam nati nicham.
Nate Cham
Shailajina kushotaram.
Shailajina
Okay, Tejas.
Yes, Mataji. Suchaudese pratisthapya sthiramasanamaatmanah nati utsritam nati nicham chailajina kusuttaram.
Very good. Hari.
Sucham Deshi Pratishthapya Shidram
Stiram.
Stiram Ashnam Atmanaha Nati Uchiritam Nati Nicham Chairajina Kushottaram.
Okay, very good. Lakshya.
Sucham Deshi Pratishthapya Stiram Ashnam Kushottaram.
Okay, very good. Vrindavan.
Tachadeham Prasapratyam
Suchaudeshe.
Suchodeshe
Pratishtapya.
Pratishthapya Shidram Asana Atmanah Nitya
Nati
Nati
uchritam
Uchitam Nati Nikam
nicham
Nicham
chailajina
Chailajina
kushotaram. Very good. Okay, Om.
Okay, Mataji. Suchaudesi pratisthapya sthirvam anasam atman
Asanam. Stiram asanam.
Shritram hasanam atmanah natya uchiritam nati nityam kailachina kushotaram.
Kushotaram. Very good. Okay, Purvik.
Suchaudesi Pratishthapya Sthiramasanamaatmanah Nati Chiram Nati Nicham Chailajina Kushottaram.
Perfect. Okay, everyone together. Suchaudeshe pratishtapya.
Suchaudesi Pratishthapya
Stiram asanam atmanah. Nati uchritam nati nicham.
Nati
Chailajina kushotaram.
Chailajina kusuttaram.
Okay, one has to sit in a clean place. Suchaudeshe. And it should be a steady asanam. It should not be too high, too low. It should be made with kusha grass. Anyone heard about kusha grass? Or you use kusha grass? Kusha mat? No? Kusha grass is a big grass which is grown in a, you would have seen. Maybe you can ask your parents. Okay, that's very pure. Kusha grass. So he is telling that asanam can be made with either with the kusha grass or with the deer skin, which is not possible. Deer skin is not so possible. Why deer skin? Because it will be very soft. Okay, so kusha grass is a tradition where we use the grass to sit so that both can be used. One can be sitting in a clean place, clean mat, okay, right height, not too high, not too, and in the same place every day. We can do that. Then the yoga can be very perfect. Anybody here do some painting? Anyone of you? Laksh. So what do you do before you start one important project or one new painting? What do? You clean your place, right? You clean your painting table and you clean your brush and everything keep clean. And where you sit, if it is too high, what will happen? You can't paint properly, right?
Yes,
and if it is too low, what will happen? You can't reach to that. Your paper will be clean. If everything is clean, what will happen? Our mind will also be very peaceful. That is what Krishna is telling, that first you have to keep your mind peaceful before chanting. All of you do some chanting, right? So before chanting also we can do this. We should sit in a clean place and in a proper height with no disturbance, right? It's all external things. So while painting also we does that. One does that one try to keep everything stable. If there is some dirty cloth, if the tools are here and there, we all arrange it in a proper place and sit comfortably, right? The painting, if you want to do painting, it will be in a special place. Not everywhere we sit and do, right? Yes, Laksh, you have a painting table, you have a painting frame. So all the things will be clean. So whatever activity we do, when we are starting something, we should always, we have to do clean all the place and then do. That means our consciousness will be very good, right? So these are external. So what in the second shloka Krishna is telling, we'll see. That is going to be more internal, how we can purify internal before we perform our meditation, right? So that is what is in the 12th shloka. Tatra ekagram.
ekagram
Together, tatraikagram.
tatraikagram
Tatraikagram.
tatraikagram
Manaha.
manaha
Kritva. Manah kritva. Tatraikagram manah kritva. Very good. Yata chittendriya. Yata chittendriya. Okay, two things. Tatraikagram manah kritva. Together. Tatraikagram manah kritva. Yata chittendriya kriya. Yata chittendriya kriya. Yata chittendriya kriya. One more time. Tatraikagram manah kritva. Yata chittendriya kriya. Okay, ekagram means we have to sit in one place, quiet place, and focus our mind, bring the mind into focus. And our senses should be focused on what you are doing. The eyes should look on what we are supposed to look around. If you're going to do some sadhana, practice of music, what you will do? Your eyes, everything will be focused, right? Then only you can practice the yoga. So that is how the yogi, he doesn't want to look around. He doesn't want to hear other sounds. Gently, he will control his mind. How many of you seen a tortoise? What it does? When somebody comes
walking.
yeah, slowly walking, when we try to touch it, what it will go?
It'll go in its shell.
It will get inside its
Go
shell.
inside the shell. So Krishna is also giving this example of the tortoise. And how this yogi, if somebody is disturbing, then he will go inward, or he will go focus more inside the Paramatma and try to see Krishna, not anything external. Yeah, this shloka also like that. If this one was external, 11th shloka. 12th shloka is more about internal, what we have to do. Okay, one more time. Tatraikagram manah kritva
तत्र एकाग्रं मनः कृत्वा तत्र एकाग्रं मनः कृत्वा
yata chittendriya kriya.
यथा चितेन्द्रिया क्रिया यथा चितेन्द्रिया क्रिया
Okay, Tejas.
यस माताजी तत्र एकाग्रं मनः कृत्वा यथा चितेन्द्रिया क्रिया
Okay, Lakshya. Okay, Hari.
तत्र एकाग्रं मनः कृत्वा यथा चितेन्द्रियक्रिया उपविश्य अनस्युञ्जय योगम् आत्मविशुद्धये.
Okay, we have now yet to do. Yes, Om.
माताजी तत्र एकाग्रं मनः कृत्वा यथा चिन्तितक्रिया
Chittendriya.
चित्तेन्द्रियक्रिया उपविशि आसने युञ्जत्.
We have to do. Okay, third and fourth will do. Yes, Purvik. और वृंदावन कौन बोलना बोलेगा? बोलो वृंदावन. Very good. Purvik. नहीं है Purvik. Yes, okay. So we'll do one more time. Tatraikagram mana kritva
तत्र एकाग्रं मनः कृत्वा
yata chittendriya kriya
यथा चितेन्द्रिया क्रिया यथा चितेन्द्रिया क्रिया
Okay, third line. Upa
उपा
vishyasane
विश्यासने
upavishyasane
उपविश्यासने
yunjyad
युञ्ज्यात्
upavishyasane
उपविश्यासने
yunjyad.
युञ्ज्यात्
Together. Upavishyasane yunjyad.
उपविश्यासने युञ्ज्यात्
Very good. Tatraikagram manah kritva
तत्र एकाग्रं मनः कृत्वा
yata chittendriya kriya
यथा चितेन्द्रिया क्रिया
upavishyasane yunjyad.
उपविश्यासने युञ्ज्यात्
Yogam
योगम्
atma
आत्मा
vishuddhaye. Yogamatma
योगमात्मा
vishuddhaye.
विशुद्धये.
Together. Yogamatma vishuddhaye.
योगमात्मा विशुद्धये
Okay, upavishyasane yunjyad.
उपविश्यासने युञ्ज्यात्
Yogam atma vishuddhaye.
योगमात्मा विशुद्धये
Okay, upavishyasane yunjyad.
उपविश्यासने युञ्ज्यात्
उपविश्यासने
Yogam atma vishuddhaye.
योगमात्मा विशुद्धये
Okay, full shloka. Tatraikagram manah kritva
एकाग्रं मनः कृत्वा
yata chittendriya kriya upavishyasane yunjyad.
उपविश्यासने युञ्ज्यात्
Yogamatma vishuddhaye.
योगमात्मा विशुद्धये.
विशुद्धये
Okay, one more time. Tatrekagram mana kritva
तत्र एकाग्रं मनः कृत्वा तत्र एकाग्रं मनः
yata chittendriya kriya
यथा चितेन्द्रिया क्रिया यथा चितेन्द्रिया क्रिया
upavishyasane yunjyad
शासने युञ्ज्यात्
उपविश्यासने युञ्ज्यात्
upavishyasane yunjyad
उपविश्यासने युञ्ज्यात् उपविश्यासने युञ्ज्यात्
yogamatma vishuddhaye
योगमात्मा
विशुद्धये
yogamatma vishuddhaye.
योगमात्मा विशुद्धये
विशुद्धये
Okay, Lakshya. Tell the shloka. Hari tell.
तत्र एकाग्रं मनः कृत्वा यदा जितेन्द्रियक्रिया उपविश्यामि युञ्ज्यात्
Vishyasane.
विश्वासने युञ्ज्यात् योगम् आत्मा विशुद्धये
Okay,
Mataji.
Lakshya. Ek minute, 1 minute. Lakshya. Lakshya told?
Yes,
Okay. Yes. They just.
yes, Mataji. तत्र एकाग्रं मनः कृत्वा यथा चितेन्द्रिया क्रिया उपविश्यासने युञ्ज्यात् योगमात्मा विशुद्धये
Okay. Om.
Okay, Mataji. Tatra ekagram mana kritva yata chindriya kriya
Chittendriya.
chitendriya kriya upavisi asane yunjat yogamatma vishuddhaye.
Okay. Purvik or Vrindavan.
मी माताजी
Bolo.
तत्र एकं मनः कृत्वा यत् चेतन्द्रिया कृता अपविश्यन्ने
Yunjad. Yogam
योगम् आत्मा विशुद्धते
vishuddhaye. Okay, very good. Purvik, are you there? Okay, not to be seen. Okay, we'll tell. Tatraikagram mana kritva
एकाग्रं मनः कृत्वा
yata chittendriya kriya
यथा चितेन्द्रिया
चितेन्द्रियक्रिया
क्रिया
upavishyasane yunjad
उपविश्यासने युञ्ज्यात्
yogamatma vishuddhaye.
योगमात्मा विशुद्धये
विशुद्धये
योगमात्मा विशुद्धये
Okay, perfect. Okay, so one more time this shloka also. Shuchau deshe pratishtapya
द्वौ देशे प्रतिष्ठाप्य
प्रतिष्ठाप्य
द्वौ देशे प्रतिष्ठाप्य
stiramasana atmanah
स्थिरमासनमासनः
nati uchritam nati nicham
नाति उच्छ्रितं नाति नीचं नाति उच्छ्रितं नाति नीचं
chailajina kushotaram
शैलाजिना कुसूत्रं शैलाजिना कुसूत्रं
tatraikagram mana kritva
तत्रैकाग्रं मनः कृत्वा तत्रैकाग्रं मनः कृत्वा
yata chittendriya kriya
यथा चितेन्द्रिया क्रिया यथा चितेन्द्रिया क्रिया
upavishyasane yunjad
उपविश्यासने युञ्ज्यात् उपविश्यासने युञ्ज्यात्
yogamatma vishuddhaye.
योगमात्मा विशुद्धये योगमात्मा विशुद्धये
Okay, so here,
मातृ
one minute. Here Krishna is telling we should practice one pointed attention. Okay, that is tatra ekagram, and we have to control our mind. And then, and say for example, like the tortoise, and then upavishyasane yunjad, we have to sit in a proper place, and our purpose of yoga should be for our purification, not for anything else. Okay, finally, what we do for should be to pleasing Krishna and to get ourselves purified. Okay, so these are the things. First shloka, he told all the external, and second shloka, all the internal. Okay, they just want to read.
Yes, Mataji. practice yoga, one should go to a secluded place and should lay kusagras on the ground and then cover it with a deer skin and a soft cloth. The seat should be neither too high nor too low and should be situated in a sacred place. The yogi should then sit on it very firmly and practice yoga to purify the heart by controlling his mind, senses, and activities and fixing the mind on one point.
Okay. Laksh, want to read it?
To practice yoga, one should go to a secluded place and should lay kusagras on the ground and then cover it with a deer skin and a
Finish.
soft cloth. The seat should be neither too high nor too low and should be situated in a sacred place. The yogi should then sit on it very firmly and practice yoga to purify the heart and controlling his mind, senses, and activities and fixing the mind on one point.
Perfect. Very good. Yes, Hari, would like to read?
To practice yoga, one should go to a secluded place and should lay a kusagras on the ground and followed by covering it with deer skin and a soft cloth. The seat should neither be too high nor too low and should be situated in a sacred place. The yogi should then sit on it firmly and practice yoga to purify the heart by controlling his mind, senses, and activities and fixing the mind on one point.
Okay. Anyone else?
Mataji.
Yeah, home.
To practice yoga, one should go on a scheduled place and lay kusa grass on the ground and then cover it with a deer skin and a soft cloth. The seat should be neither too high nor low and should be situated in a sacred place. The yogi should then sit on it
Very firmly.
very firmly and practice yoga to purify the heart by controlling his mind, senses, and activities and fixing the mind on one point.
Okay, so that is how one should do. These are all different activities of the asanam. There are 8 stages in yoga. This is one stage is asanam, how we have to sit, where should sit, how we should sit, and what is the purpose of yoga. Okay, all about dhyana yoga, which we can apply in anywhere when we are doing for your music practice or your drawing, painting things, or your chanting Hare Krishna. So anywhere we can apply this, right? Okay. So
Where do we find kusagras then?
you don't have to find kusagras, anything which is soft, which will not disturb you. If you can get a kusagras, it is okay. But if you don't have to worry, right? We can sit in a place which is little soft cloth. It is also called a deer. They also said, right? A deer skin or a soft cloth is also okay. You can get a kusagras and cover it with deer skin. If it is not possible, just get a soft cloth and sit over. That which is not going to disturb you. Because in Dhyana Yoga, they sit for a long time, right? Not 10 minutes, 5 minutes. They're going to sit for a long time. So they have to properly do all these things. Okay, understood? All of you, these 2 shlokas?
Yeah.
Yes, Mataji.
Perfect. Then please keep practicing 12 shlokas now. Next week, we'll do a revision of all the 12 and go forward. Right?
Okay.
Okay? Okay, then we'll chant one Hare Krishna mantra, everyone. Hare
Hare
Krishna, Hare
Krishna,
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 Krishna, Hare
Hare
Hare,
Hare,
Hare
Hare Rama,
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 Hare
Hare
Hare.
Hare.
Hare Krishna, all of you.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Mataji.
Hare Krishna. वृंदावन आंख में क्या हुआ?
चोट लग गई
चोट किधर लगी?
इधर.
Be careful. Hare Krishna.